right, I'm here with Sam, who is the founder of a very cool company, Solidoodle. How's it going, Sam?
Hey, it's going great.
Now, can you give me, your 30-second pitch about what Solidoodle is all about?
Right, well at Solidoodle we make 3D printers. A 3D printer takes a digital file and uses it to create a real physical part, like this right here. This is a digital file we downloaded from the internet and we printed it out. It took about a half hour to print this, and it uses about 30 cents worth of plastic.
Wow, and so this is made out of plastic, because it looks like wax to me.
That's right, it's ABS plastic, the same stuff that Legos are made out of, toys are made out of, really, really safe and affordable plastic.
And what are the different kind of uses for this type of printer, for business uses? What did you have in mind when you made this?
Right, schools use these to print out teaching aids, architects use these to print out models, engineers and designers, and actually dads use these a lot to print out toys for their kids. So it really, the sky's the limit.
And how did you come up with this idea?
Right, I worked at a few other 3D printing companies, so I've been in the business for a few years, and I have an aerospace engineering background, so I took everything I learned and designed this new machine. The new machine today, it's $499. We just launched it today, and it comes fully assembled, so by far the most affordable 3D printer on the market.
Very cool, and you're based in New York?
That's right, based in Brooklyn, New York.
And so when you buy this printer, you need to buy these spools of plastic along with it?
That's right, so you buy spool plastic, and it's very economical. We try to make it as easy and affordable to use as possible. The plastic itself costs about $20 a pound, so this part right here probably uses about 25 cents worth of plastic.
And does it come in different sizes? Can you print larger things, or is that in the works for the future?
Absolutely. The biggest we could print right now is 6 inches. So our previous machine could print 4-inch parts, and now we're at about 6 inches. So let your mind run wild.
And if people want to learn more about your company, they can go to where?
Right, they can go to solidoodle.com and read all about us.
Cool, thank you, Sam. Well, let's check out the printer in action here.